Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This is the last video this year of the fabulous Vrissiana Hotel. Extended season this year to the end of November. Let's go up the conveniently located slope and benches. So, one of the first hotels to be built in Protaras. It looks like a ship, a cruise ship. So what we've got a lawn on the left hand side, loads of sunbeds and umbrellas with squashy cushions. I'll check if they're squashy in a minute. Oh, we've even got hammocks. Wow, super comfortable, conveniently located hammocks. We've got 4-poster double sunbeds here on the left hand side. I think we've got a higgledy-piggledy pool, haven't we? Look, it's L-shaped. More 4-poster sunbeds at the far end. Steps to get into the pool on both ends. There's the pool bar there on the left. Looks like there's a snack area as well. We'll go up this way, I think. Yeah. Here's the restaurant terrace. Is lunch being served, do you think? Let's go and have a look. Lovely tablecloths. Let's go and have a look. Oh yes, lunch is being served. Let's go and have a look at the buffet. See what it's like. Come around here. See what they've got in their buffet. So starting off, vegetables. Lovely vegetables. Oh, look at those vegetables, delish. Giant beans, one of my favourites. Pasta.
Fish.
Fish. Oh, that looks delish. Beautiful white fish.
Chips.
Chips.
And hamburger.
Oh, are they little burgers?
Hamburger, yes.
Oh, look at that. They're beautiful.
Or Protaras.
Oh, with cheesy sauce.
Yes.
Lovely wraps.
It's chicken.
Barbecue chicken or kebabs. So thank you. Creamy garlic beef. Very creamy. And some beautiful rice to go with it. Thank you very much. They are lovely. Thanks to the waiter for opening the little bits for me. The opening bits, you know what I mean, guys. So moving on to salads, very important. Make your own salad, including tuna fish. Lovely tomatoes there. Smells delish. All fresh. And then we've got ready-made salads, which I quite like. There we are. Loads of ready-made salads, guys, including noodle salad. We have got lovely cakes as well. Look at these beautiful cakes. Oh, I do like those cones. Delish. And then we've got professional coffee machines, guys. There's all the information boards. Look, pull one out. They've got loads of information. There we go. Jet 2. So they're the pull-out information boards. Push it back. I'll pull that out again. It's good, isn't it? Clever. Right, let's continue on. You like the what? Oh yeah, they're good, aren't they? Made of gravel and stuff. There's the hairdressers. Here's the gym. Nice and cool in here. Beautiful gym. Got loads of equipment, and it's the latest equipment. Look. Oh, look at this one. It's a pedal bike. Look at that. Very fancy. There we are. There's a picture of the wedding venue, and we have been to quite a few weddings here, guys. look out for the videos. Right, let's step up to the wedding venue. This is where, if you're having a wedding, this is what it's going to be, guys, with this amazing view. So I do believe Kevin and Jane are getting married here. And we've been to a couple weddings here. Look out for videos, guys. Amazing event area. They open the bar there on the right hand side. And I do believe you get married around here with this view. Let's go out on the terrace and show you. There we are. What a view. Look at that. Right, let's go and have a look around reception. So, this is the reception wedding venue, which has got conveniently located comfortable seats. Stepping down, we've got the reception bar. Oh, look at this. Look at this chandelier. Oh, I like that. Now that would look nice in my front room. So don't forget the indoor bar, guys, served by this lovely lady. What's your name?
Daniela.
Nice to meet you. So guys, we're lucky enough to go and have a look at a room. This is Johnny, he's going to take us up to a room. Hi Johnny.
Hi.
Right, what room we're going to? 309?
I
is
show you
it?
309, no, the lovely room is
Oh,
with better
perfect.
view.
With a sea view,
Yeah.
off we go. So Johnny, this is room 309. Let's go and have a look. It's a sea view standard room, is that right? Okay, wow. It's beyond standard, isn't it? It's amazing. So we've got two single beds made into an enormous double bed. There's the dressing table, TV, and this is what I like. Tables and chairs, conveniently located, comfortable tables and chairs, so you don't have to lie in bed to watch TV. Johnny's going to open the curtains for me. Meantime, let's go and have a look at the bathroom. Let's have a look. Wow, look at this. Fluffy towels. Oh, they really are fluffy. Look at those towels. Amazingly fluffy. We've got a bath and the shower and a glass screen so you don't make a mess. Look at all these toiletries. Oh, super posh, super clean. Lovely. There's the wardrobes, loads of space for your stuff, guys. There we go, loads of hanging space in there, and shelves, put all the bits and pieces on. We have got tea and coffee making facilities. There's your safe, there's your little mini fridge, there we go, including your free water, of course. Put your suitcases here. Oh, thank you, Johnny.
You're welcome.
It's opened up for us. Let's go and have a look at the view. Wow, what a view. Amazing. Look at that, you can even see Fig Tree Bay. Look at that, and it's a massive balcony, guys. Unusual shape, very clever, isn't it? Because we've got this area here that you can enjoy your coffee and tea. And then we've got this little area here that sticks out so you can stand here and take the view. That is fantastic. You can always look that way as well and have a look, see what's going on in the main strip. Now guys, I'm just going to nip outside, show you the front of the hotel. So we've got a gentle slope, loads of parking for your hire cars and your buggies, and that's the main strip where lots of the hotels and restaurants are. So it's really convenient located. Beautiful hotel, isn't it? Now I tell you what, we've done reception, but it's so amazing. I love those chandeliers. I'm going to keep the video going. There's the pool, the fitness room, the health and the spa. So this is the Vrissiana, extended their season to the end of November. So this is the last video of this hotel this year, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.